Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will be learning the piano accompaniment of Charlie Puth's Loser. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of G minor. Our first chord is G minor. On the left we have G, on the right we have G, B flat, and D. The next chord is C minor 7. On the left we have C, and on the right we have G, B flat, and E flat. For the third chord we have E flat major. On the left we have E flat, and on the right we have G, B flat, and E flat. The fourth chord is B flat major. On the left we have B flat, and on the right hand we have F, B flat, and D. Again, that's G minor, C minor 7, E flat major, and B flat major. Then we'll add F over A. On the left we have A, and on the right we have F, A, and C. And then back to G minor, C minor 7, E flat major, B flat major, F over A, and back to G minor. You can use octaves on the left hand to make the sound more fuller. This chord progression is repeated for the entire song.